Hey, this is Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm. And if you've watched my channel any length of time, or even if you hadn't, I always talk about keep it as simple as possible. And you don't have to have all of the fancy equipment to be able to plant. We use an earthway seeder out here, which is not that expensive. I think they're $170, $180. But for 50-foot rows, they're fantastic. We can plant things. But in a smaller garden setting, you could just plant with your finger. And I talk about that all the time. Today, I'm actually doing that myself because not being precise, I'm planting some cover crop. These are mustard seed. So let's show you exactly how I do this. And again, this is not a precise science. Even if I was planting something for the fall or spring, I might be a little bit more careful about spacing, but this is a cover crop, so I really don't care. All I'm going to do is take some of these mustard seed. I've already made my little furrow with my finger. I'm just going to take these and drop them in just like that. And I'm telling my wife here, Mindy, if you'll come in close, you can actually see as I'm dropping these right in. And it's just a thing you can practice with time with your fingers as you learn how to drop a few and then just bring them in. Now, for covering these seeds up, we're going to make this. Let's come down here and you can see right here on this furrow. I'm going to come in, I'm just going to take my hand like this and literally, that's all I'm doing to cover those seeds up. I'm not even pushing down and covering the dirt up because that's exactly what a earthway seeder would do. It drags a chain that covers it up. So for those of you that have small backyard gardens, it doesn't take a lot of equipment, doesn't take a lot of time. As you can see, I literally had the bag of seeds. I had my finger to make these furrows. I dropped in those mustard seeds. Here in a little bit, I'm going to take my little watering can, water them. I'll use the drip lines later, but I'm going to get them started, get them wet, and we're ready to go. It's that simple. So always remember, keep it simple. I'm Jeff from Whirlwind Family Farm. We always appreciate you finding our channel. Blessings over you, your family, and your garden. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.